Please state your name and tell everybody where you're from.
My name is Rayyan Taufeeque, and I'm from Worcester, Massachusetts.
Worcester. Well, you drove a long way.
Yeah, 9 hours.
9 hours, man. So you were here for the 3-day Details R certified licensee training. What did you think of the business training on Friday?
I thought it was very helpful and useful, not only for detailing, but for any business in general that you're trying to get into, especially for people who are not trying to go to college and build their own business. And it teaches you a lot about licensing, LLCs, taxes, marketing, stuff that will help you in any case, in any business.
Excellent. So you enjoyed that day and you felt that it's going to help you grow your business.
For sure.
What about on Saturday? Saturday was the interior training and coding training. What did you think of that?
Saturday, coding training and paint corrections are the only things I didn't know how to do for detailing, which is one of the main reasons I came here, and it gave us a step-by-step thorough explanation on how to do it, and you can definitely make a lot of money off of that, and I'm definitely looking forward to coming back home and doing it to all my clients.
Excellent. What about today, the interior training and coding training on the interior too?
The interior training was really good. It taught us how to make the car not only look really clean, but look brand new, better than off the lot. It teaches us how to get a lot more add-ons for our business and to
Like
add on.
upsells and cross-sells.
Yep.
Excellent,
Add
man.
coatings in the car, on the windows, on the seats, everywhere, and it's a really good thing for the business.
You did a great job, man. You are now Detail Czar certified, and we appreciate it. Thank you so much.